For Activity C in the Cleaning and Disinfectant curriculum, part of Scrub, you'll need an incubator. So you can buy a commercial incubator, or you can actually make one from scratch with some pretty simple materials. So I'm going to show you how to make your own incubator. Essentially, you need some sort of cardboard box, some styrofoam insulation, a 15-watt incandescent bulb, an extension cord and socket for the bulb, and then a way to monitor the temperature of the box, just to make sure we're in the right ballpark. So a simple indoor-outdoor thermometer, or they also make some other thermometers used in aquariums. So we're going to go ahead and put our box together. This particular box is 12 by 12. The dimensions aren't critical. It's just so that we essentially get our pieces of styrofoam to fit within there. We're going to fold our box up. So just like a packing box. And then we're going to slip our pieces of styrofoam into our box to make our incubator. So I just want to tape my light bulb in place so I don't have to worry about any fire hazards. So you want to suspend your light bulb essentially in the middle of your box so that it's not touching the edges. So then you just turn your box on and let it come to temp. So once your light is on, you're just going to add, I use an indoor-outdoor thermometer just so I can tell what temperature is going on in my box. Then we can just lightly close it up, put a little light tape, and when you're ready to get back to it, you'll have an incubator.